Well, look what we have here! A new product from Simple Lawn Solutions, one of my favorite lawn care companies. Let's take a look and see what this is. You've probably seen this on Instagram and other YouTubers sharing this. They've got a new product out now. Darker green liquid iron. So this is kind of a unique blend. It's not just chelated iron that's in this. If you look at the analysis on the back, we've got a tiny bit of nitrogen in there, quick release urea, soluble iron 6%, manganese and zinc, so it's got some micros and a tiny little bit of quick release nitrogen. I think that combination is going to make things really pop on the lawn, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video to see the results here. For pump up spray, we can mix 4 ounces per gallon of water, apply 10 ounces per 1,000 square feet. For your hose and sprayers, 1 quart, which we have here, covers 3,200 square feet. So it's not the largest bottle in the world to cover a large size lawn, but if you have a small lawn, this is a great product. I'm going to apply the entire contents onto my front lawn because we've got a little over 5,000 square feet, and I think we're going to try to stretch it a little bit to see how far we can get and what kind of results we're going to get. So we're going to shake this up, mix it up, and get spraying. I'm going to give you a quick before and after so you can see what the results are. I applied a granular fertilizer with a very trace amount of iron to the lawn about a week ago, so it does have a little bit of dark green up. You can see some striping going on here from the granular product. I may have not been doing my job, or my spreader may not be doing its job, but regardless, it does have a little bit of patchiness here, so we're going to see what the results are before and after. I'm going to be mixing this up in my Petra sprayer today, just for a little bit more consistent application compared to a hose end, but you can use a hose end sprayer too. Just make sure you follow the instructions on the back of the bottle, which is to water it in after you apply it. I might mix a little bit of this remaining Simple Lawn Solutions root hume in with it too, since I got about a half bottle up with that. I would use one of my hose end sprayers, but too much liquid to fit in one bottle, so we will proceed with that. We'll add it to our water there. And now we wait. Now, as I've said in previous videos before, iron is a key micronutrient to making your lawn look dark green like this, almost an emerald blue. And you'll see I'm watering today because it is 92 degrees today, and I'm going to jump in the pool when I'm done with this. I mowed again because it's growing like crazy, because the Simple Lawn Solutions darker green liquid iron certainly did the job. Boosted a little bit of quick growth, so I had to mow. You can see the color. Iron is very vital to getting that nice dark color, and I think it did its job. Very quickly, in fact. 6% iron. That's been mowed just right there. That hasn't been yet. Looking good. Guys, if you found this video useful, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. That button is located just below the video. Leave any comments below. Leave a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching.